Have you ever wondered where the term houseplant actually came from? The term houseplant actually doesn't describe the plant itself, it describes the role of the plant. Now, the idea of cultivating plants indoors actually did originate in ancient Egypt, Rome, and China. However, it became more of a popular practice in the 17th and 18th centuries in Europe. During this time, we saw advancements in glassmaking, which led to bigger windows and eventually the formation of greenhouses. Explorers were actually bringing tropical plants from Africa, Asia, and the Americas back to Europe. Well, they quickly realized that these plants were not going to survive the cold weather in Europe and they had to start growing them indoors. So by the 19th century, the term houseplant, house being home or dwelling, and plant being cultivated greenery, became a more common term. Now, during the 19th century was when the Victoria era happened, and they loved houseplants. Ferns and parlor palms were particularly popular during this time, and that's because of the invention of the Wardian case, it's called, which is like an early terrarium. And the purpose of this was to protect the plants from the fumes of coal-heated homes. Today, houseplants are so popular. I mean, they're in homes, they're in apartment buildings, they're in lobbies of hotels, they're in offices. I mean, you go anywhere, you'll see a houseplant at some point. We even have nurseries dedicated just for plant shopping. I hope you enjoyed this little history lesson.